Next, we are going to see with equilibrium of rigid bodies. A rigid body is said to be in the mechanical equilibrium when both its linear and the angular momentum remains constant. Okay, so when both its linear as well as the angular momentum, if it is constant, then it is said to be in equilibrium. Okay, so a rigid body is said to be in equilibrium when both its linear and angular momentum remains constant. So when the linear momentum remains constant, we can say that the net force is zero. Okay, so we are writing it as f of net is equal to zero. Okay, when the linear momentum is constant, net force is equal to zero. Clear? Next is when you consider the angular momentum to be constant. Okay, the net torque will be equal to zero. Okay, and we'll see with that if net force is zero, if all the forces are F1, F2, F3, etc. up to Fn, we can write that as F1, F2 plus etc. up to Fn, that is equal to 0 because net force is 0. Okay. Then next is angular momentum remains constant. As I told you, if the angular momentum is constant, net torque is 0. So tau of net is equal to 0. Clear? If linear momentum is 0, net force is 0. Angular momentum is 0, net torque is 0. Okay. If suppose tau 1, tau 2, tau 3, etc. up to tau n is equal to 0. Okay. So these are all the torques. Abdina. So these are the two conditions. F of net is equal to 0 and tau of net is equal to 0. Okay. So this is the condition of equilibrium of the rigid bodies. Next is the types of equilibrium. We have various types of equilibrium. They are first one, translational equilibrium. So when you see with the conditions of this translational equilibrium, net linear momentum is constant and the net force is 0. Okay, for translational, linear momentum is constant, net force is 0. Then for rotational, angular momentum is 0, sorry, constant, and the net torque is 0. இதில் என்னது linearன்றதுனால translational is it is moving in the straight path. So straight path என்றதுனால linear. Okay, so linear வந்தாலே என்ன பண்ணுவோம் force தான். So அப்ப net force 0. Rotational, so rotational அப்படின்னா என்னது it is moving in the circular path. Circular pathனா என்னது angular தான். So angular momentum constant. அப்ப என்னது torque. Okay, so net torque is 0. Okay, so this is the first two types. Then next we have static equilibrium and dynamic equilibrium. Static la pathina both linear and angular momentum 0. Linear and angular momentum 0 na enadhu net force net torque enadhu 0 da. Okay, same way dynamic la pathina linear and angular momentum eppadi irukum constant ah irukum. Constant ah irunalum enadhu net force and net torque 0. Okay, so static la அது ரெண்டுமே 0 அப்ப net force net torque 0. Dynamic la அது ரெண்டுமே constant அப்பயும் என்னது net force net torque is 0. Clear? Then the next one is stable equilibrium. So stable equilibrium is the linear and the angular momentum are 0. So 0 ஆ இருக்கும். Body tries to come back to the equilibrium if slightly disturbed and released. Just consider the example as cone. Okay, so cone வந்து நம்ம slightly if you are disturbing and releasing, if it is kept in this position, okay, அப்ப என்ன ஆகும், will it come back to its position. Okay, so the body tries to come back to the equilibrium if slightly disturbed and released. So disturb பண்ணிட்டு if we are leaving also it come back to its position. Okay, then the center of mass shifts slightly higher if disturbed. Okay, center of mass என்ன goes slight higher க்கு move ஆயிடும். Okay, and the potential energy is minimum and it increases. Okay, so இதுல potential energy first எப்படி இருக்கும், minimum இருக்கும், அப்புறம் என்ன ஆகும், increase ஆகும். Okay, so this is about the static equilibrium. Okay, so sorry, stable equilibrium. So stable equilibriumல என்னென்னலாம் points நம்மளுக்கு, first linear and angular momentum are 0. Body tries to come back to its equilibrium if slightly disturbed and released. Center of mass, it moves slightly higher, potential energy minimum and it increases. Next one is unstable equilibrium. In unstable equilibrium, first point is the same, linear and angular momentum are 0. Second point is the body cannot come back to equilibrium if slightly disturbed and released. Okay, consider the cone to be in this position. If it is like this, if you are disturbing and if you are again releasing, will it come back to this same position again? No. Okay, so it cannot come back to the equilibrium position. Okay, Then center of mass is slightly lower. So center of mass என்ன ஆயிடும், it becomes lower. Okay, then the potential energy is not minimum and it decreases. இதுக்கு முன்னாடி இருக்கிறதுல பார்த்தோம் என்ன பார்த்தோம், it is minimum and increases அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம். Here it is not minimum and it decreases. Okay, so this is a unstable equilibrium. First point is linear and angular momentum are zero. Next, body cannot come back to equilibrium. Center of mass slightly lower. Potential energy is not minimum and it decreases. Okay, last is neutral equilibrium. So neutral equilibrium, the first point is linear and angular momentum are zero. அது அதேதான். Okay, then the body remains at the same equilibrium if slightly disturbed and released. Okay, so first மாதிரியே தான், but here we are just considering that the cone to be in this ஸ்லாண்டிங் பொசிஷன். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்லாண்டிங் பொசிஷனில் வச்சுட்டு நம்ம டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ணிட்டு ரிலீஸ் பண்ணாலும் என்ன ஆகும், இட் மே கம் பேக் டு இட்ஸ் பொசிஷன். ஓகே, சென்டர் ஆஃப் மாஸ் எப்படி இருக்கும், டஸ் நாட் ஷிஃப்ட் லோவர் ஆர் ஹையர், ஹையர்லையும் போகாது லோவர்லையும் போகாது. ஓகே, அண்ட் த பொட்டன்ஷியல் எனர்ஜி ஆல்சோ இஸ் த சேம். ஓகே, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டூ கண்டிஷன்ஸ்க்கும் இதுக்குமான டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் தெரியுதா? ஸ்டேபிளில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா center of mass வந்து shifts higher, unstable it shifts lower. Okay, here it does not shift. Same way, first one the potential energy is minimum, second one potential energy is not minimum, here the potential energy is same. Okay, so these are all the types of equilibrium. Clear? Thank you.